Research shows that children are more likely to succeed in school if they had an excellent kindergarten experience. The kindergarten teacher is more important than ever, and this isn't just a new age, overly sentimental notion. As parents with kids entering kindergarten, it's more important than ever that we review the statistics available to us on kindergarten teachers and consider how our children can get off to a good start in life with someone who can instill healthy habits, routines, and a lifetime of love for learning. Ensuring your child gets a good kindergarten teacher is a key factor for predicting how well, or poorly, a child will do in school throughout his or her academic career. Good teachers make good students, poor teachers make poor students. A great kindergarten teacher can influence a student's development for years to come. The reason for this is pretty straightforward. Children are sponges soaking up everything around them. So if a student has a great teacher who is enthusiastic about his job, he will be enthusiastic about going to school and learning. If the teacher is bored and listless, he too will act bored and listless. Kids are very much a product of their environment, and good teachers create a positive environment that encourages intelligence, curiosity, and learning through play. Rather than obsessing about private schools, we should give due attention to what kind of teachers are teaching our kids and whether they are qualified for the job. The quality of the teacher can be crucial as a child's first true teacher. If you want to get a good understanding of the importance that teachers can have on children, then you should know how young students are influenced. Indeed, the kindergarten teacher is a child's first true teacher, and it is essential that they are a good guide while teaching various new things. During this period, a child will learn to differentiate right from wrong, and will also build their sense of curiosity and initiative. This is why the quality of a kindergarten teacher really matters when it comes to influencing a child's life. But did you know that the quality of the kindergarten teacher can have an impact on students years after they leave school? There are a lot of reasons why it's important that the quality of the teachers in your school district are top-notch, but none are more important than the fact that they will be your children's first true teacher. Children learn from everything that happens around them, and no matter what you think, you probably won't be around to teach them the basics. That responsibility will fall on their teacher. If you are a parent, your child's first teacher may be their kindergarten teacher. This is why the quality of this teacher is so crucial. A study published in the May 2011 issue of the journal Child Development found that third graders who attended high-quality kindergartens were better readers and writers than their classmates. It's no secret that the quality of your teacher has a major impact on your development. Great kindergarten teachers can nurture a love for learning, which is crucial to future success. While the importance of a good teacher is acknowledged, the role of early childhood education and development on the future success of kids is not widely understood. Every parent wants the best for their child. You probably believe this is true even if you're an only child. The importance of kindergarten teachers to a child's future success cannot be overstated. It is crucial that young students receive positive reinforcement through encouragement and caring relationships with the people they spend most of their day with. Kindergarten teacher are one of those people that your child will spend almost half of their day with, and don't you think your child deserves the best in the business? Kindergarten teachers may be tasked to teach a lot of things to young kids, ranging from reading and writing, basic math, spatial awareness, prescience and arts, etc., but the most vital role a kindergarten teacher can play is nurturing curiosity and a love for learning. If a kid doesn't enjoy learning at such an early age, there will be irreparable damage. Having a quality kindergarten teacher can be the difference between a love of learning and a love of video games. A kindergarten teacher has a lot of responsibilities, from keeping order, to creating engaging learning experiences, and guiding children through their early years. But there is one responsibility that every kindergarten teacher has: ensuring every child in their class leaves school ready for the next level of education. They help shape the minds and attitudes of these children and give them the foundation for long-term success. That's why the quality of your kindergarten teacher really matters. One of the most important elements in a child's development is the teacher they will have while they are a toddler. When it comes to children, quality of life and education is important. The teacher will be responsible for teaching the child fundamental curriculum that can be used throughout their academic career, but also laying a foundation for building relationships with others. Finding a great kindergarten teacher takes background checking, observation, interviews, and consensus matching. The quality of the kindergarten teacher you choose as a school and even as a parent can make a huge difference in your child's life. Teachers can shape young minds and influence behavior, which is why it's important to make the right choices when shopping for a kindergarten teacher. Teachers can shape young minds and influence behavior. If your child's education is one of your priorities, then you should make it a point to ensure that your child gets the best start possible into his or her elementary school years. A great way of doing this as a parent is to ensure to know the teacher, build a relationship with the teacher to know his/her philosophy. Remember, children will live what they learn.